Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on your Bumble account. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, if you open up the Bumble application and log into your account, you will be taken into the People tab from which you can directly start matching with various different profiles. Now, if you wish to change your age, you can tap on the profile icon at the bottom left corner and tap on the settings option, but you will not find any option to change your age. So from this page, tap on Contact and FAQ, and now tap on Contact Us. Now tap on Report a Technical Issue, and within the message box, just type in that your age is incorrect on your profile. After entering this message, along with your correct date of birth or age, tap on the Send button, and this will send your message to the support team. Once they receive your message, they will respond to you within your email in the steps that you can take in order to change your age. Once you go through these steps, your age will be changed on your Bumble account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your age on your Bumble account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.